Asiana social Adom TV and yet also the more akwansa fufomu na managing director that Project Management Institute in Sub-Saharan Africa. George Asmeni and what they told Ghana Institute of Engineers and him said nay abefo kwan so e wonwuma mu no omunso mpagya wo ho san koduru ho se be ya wadwuma yemu nso eni wiase ama nyina de no so be yepe oni Adom Kasee etwaso
George Asmeni MD Emma Project Management Institute na bra Ghana Institute of Engineers wonom afibia enhyiamu Takoradi no na wura yi editu dwase ehu behia se wonom wo ye engineers no wo sinkete se akwanside wonom adwuma mu nyina no obebu wani aguso na mmom obegina pintin se be ya wonom adwuma wo ye no obetumi aye ne yie wosan kato aso se ehu behia se engineers wo man mu no ene wonom wo amanone ebedi nsawoso se be ya ensesan ya eba engineering mu ewo amaya hodo so no wonom wa hanso ebehunu se de sitie no wode adi dwuma na aboa am wonom adwuma no etimi akonkan.
Say almost protected those ideas. Yes. Okay. Engineers start again. Engineers were ideas, baby. But as you said, almost protected those ideas on a global level. Because Ghanaian engineers, there were so many ideas, but we don't protect them. And once we protect them on a global level, that gives us the opportunity for external organizations to invest in us, those who want those ideas to come to reality. If we cannot develop those ideas ourselves, because we have protected them, they are relevant globally, and the world will be able to partner with us to execute on those ideas.
Frank Kofi Pinto Ghana Institute of Engineers wonom president awoda efa ewo mfimfini ene atoyamantam ano ono so ekwese adwumadi asibia wode nsem bi eto yamane boni anim
PPH Ghana Port and Harbour Authority here presentation port expansion why Takoradi port na they what one far any expatriate no foreigner no by assist one Ghana indigenous na why then why the major man I mean you nyoma bebre ho no why Ghana hanom eba vi area ye minimum profit ye be ni na no Ghana fuya ahina na ye the major man yankofa nkofun bebia confirm and Ghana engineers won no awon the Canada no so and so minister pra kan se be ka ya oka to the ne ka no dina do no Takoradi ni na what da ko Takoradi abana no kan into what certified am pa car I mean no meet standard and no I want them the SS match BBNC tell quite sure damn pa engineers Ghana no ye bodwuma e the bomb man